Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, happy holidays. Okay, so look at this. Look at that. You know what that is? Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. That's why I don't sing. That's a chestnut. This is an Italian chestnut. They're a little bit bigger than regular ones. But we're going to roast them, season them, try them. I've never had roasted chestnuts. So this is the year I bought it. I saw it on TV. I thought, I should try that one time. So you're getting a bonus video. Roasted chestnuts. Okay, we have a whole bag of them, but be careful. You're gonna make an X on them. I don't know how hard they are, so be careful not to. You're gonna make an X, so you're scoring like that. An X or a plus, whatever you want to call it. Okay? So once you have scored them, then we're going to place them in this glass bowl because we're going to do something to them afterwards before we roast. Okay, you got to be really careful because they're round, they'll roll, they're a little hard to score. Go slow, make sure you're holding the nut still solidly, and then cut. Use a sharp utility knife if you need to. Use a cut glove if you need to. I don't want anybody getting hurt on this step. By the way, while we're scoring the nuts, I'll just show you really quick. She decorated all my cabinets like always. Thank you, Tammy, for all your hard work. I mean, she literally, each cabinet is wrapped with a ribbon. Looks so festive. Now, if you're working with a friend or a family member, they can get just any kind of cookie sheet to go roast them. We have a cookie sheet with a silicone mat on it. So, anything like that will do. And then we're gonna pop them in the oven for a few minutes. All right, they're all scored in a bowl. The next step is recommended, but not a have to. They say get some hot water, fill that with hot water and soak them 10 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna do that next. There we go. Leave that for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so you want to preheat your oven right now. 425, we're gonna roast for 20 to 25 minutes. They're soaking right now. I set a timer for 10 minutes. So we will do the recommended step. Okay guys, so anyway, our nuts are still soaking. So while we're waiting, I want to tell you, basically, once roasted, you don't want them to get cold. You want to glaze them with the seasonings and whatever it's going to be mixed with. You want to get the nuts warm. Peel them. Keep them warm, pour the glaze over it, whether it be, it's gonna be a mixture of stuff, I'll show you. We'll get the glaze ready while it's in the oven, okay? So it's gonna be kind of quick. We're gonna kind of have to do it like right away. So we're gonna peel it, throw it in the bowl, pour the glaze over it, mix it up, and see how that is, all right? Okay guys, so first, we're gonna drain the nuts and then we're gonna pat them dry. We're gonna put the nuts on a towel, get them dried off, and then put them on a cookie sheet. So you wanna bring that over. Oh, okay. They're all done, look at that. They're all soaked. So, we're gonna put them all on the towel and then pat dry them and place them on the cookie sheet for roasting. So we got them all on the cookie sheet. They've been scored, they've been soaked, roasted 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, now it's time to make our mixture. This is what's gonna coat the chestnuts. Okay, there's some butter. We're gonna put a little salt. Put a little maple syrup in there. Little cinnamon. Little nutmeg. Little drop of vanilla. Right. Okay, Tammy. See how they popped open? Mm-hmm. Can you show us? Are they piping hot? Don't burn yourself. Yeah, you can see they busted open. You can see, like, right where she scored it. Some of them did. Some maybe, like...
No, a lot of them look like they did.
They look like they all did.
Look at that one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Yep. All right. Tammy's still trying to get them peeled. Okay, just like I thought. They're really hard to peel. They're just a pain in the butt. Some of them peel great. Some of them fall apart and the meat just crumbles. Some of them don't peel at all. They're just like not done completely. So personally, I mean, I would buy a bag of already roasted chestnuts, but I would not do it at home. But we're still gonna finish this video. We're still gonna take them peeled. We're still gonna glaze them and try it out. But for right now, it's like we're only halfway through. We've been doing this for a good 25, 30 minutes. Tammy's trying to do it with the tool. It's just not easy, that's all. So, giving you a heads up, they smell like nuts. But we will try them in a bit and tell you how they came out. Okay, so we've been here working on this. Really, Tammy's been working on it. I tried to help, but I was no use. Literally been doing it for an hour. It's painful. I will never bring chestnuts into this house again, unless I'm going to throw them at birds or something. I literally don't even care how they taste. It's been a lot of work. Tammy's been a trooper. She's breaking apart all of them, trying to put together a nice collection of chestnuts that look attractive. And she's done a superb job. And anyway, I don't recommend. I mean, I'll tell you how they taste, but I can't imagine them tasting that good that we would ever visit this again. Okay, I just came up with an idea. So, I'm guessing the glaze is going to taste amazing, and the nuts are just not worth peeling. So, I would take the glaze and I would make a lazy man roasted chestnuts. I wouldn't use chestnuts. I would get cashews already peeled. I'd roast those. I'd glaze them up, and I would say, screw the chestnuts, eat the glazed cashews, and pretend they're chestnuts. Okay, we're almost done. I did a little further research. I compared notes. Lots of times, if I'm researching a recipe, I'll go to 3 recipes, see what they have in common. Ingredients, directions, and all 3 recipes that talked about peeling chestnuts, they all recommended soaking for up to an hour. I only soak for like 10 to 15 minutes. They recommend a full hour. Tammy brought up a good point. Maybe we should have roasted them a few more minutes so that they would have popped open better, more, easier. There's a bunch of different ways that I could have screwed this up. So anyway, everybody recommends an hour. Okay, there it is. It's huge. So we'll give it a try, see if it's worth it, see if it's delicious, see if it sucks, see if it whatever. All right. I don't like chestnuts. I feel like I'm chewing a raw potato. Yeah, it's awful. Just leave it in the song. It's awful. So hard to even swallow. Wow, that was an utter failure. Ain't the first time.